मैंने सोचा था टफ बोला किसी ने तो स्क्रीन से निकाल के मारूंगी। नहीं नहीं नहीं, मुझे लगता है इट इज डिफिकल्ट। आई वुडंट से इट्स नॉट डिफिकल्ट। ओह माय गॉड, आई स्वेयर।
I binge watch a lot of Big Bang Theory.
दैट्स माय फेवरेट। आई वॉच इट ऑन रिपीट।
कुछ नहीं, सब ठीक है, हो जाएगा.
हाँ, दैट्स द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग यू नीड टू से टू पर्सन।
That we are not serious enough.
Okay, so hi guys. My first question to you is very, I think it's something that we want to always talk about. Give me a glimpse of what does your day look like at IFMR? What is your like timetable?
So,
So
हाँ, आप you start.
yeah, so morning around, personally, I wake up around 7:30,
Yeah.
and then a little exercise, and then we go for breakfast. And we have classes usually from 10:30 to usually 4, like 3 to 4 classes in a day.
Okay.
And then evening is usually
How
for like
long are your classes? How long?
1.5 hours each.
1.5 hours. Okay.
Yeah. In the middle, we also have lunch break, of course.
Okay.
And then after all the classes end, we usually do our assignments, play sports. There's student activity center and play areas so that we all can, bond and all that. And then there's a dinner, and then usually the day ends like that. On weekends, there's fests and everything. Some other event is happening, so we
What
indulge.
about Rohan?
my day also pretty much looks similar on the yeah, like
I think that's
morning.
the basic timetable of a student who's in the same place, same timing
So
of classes.
so it's just that like so like I've taken part in like other clubs and as well. So the meetings for that, like her and I both are in Genesis, so there's work for Genesis that keeps
nice.
coming up here and there. Then I'm part of the events team in HCK, so there's other events coming up, so we have to go for that. So there are multiple meetings here and there that we have to put in together. Then so there's different things happening throughout the week. And then even weekend, you'll see like a lot, like the campus is very light and like there's a lot of things happening around the campus. So right now we have a fest going on, which is like the annual sports fest of Kriya, called as a Bold. So for 2 weeks that's going on, where there are 20 sports being played. Even like stone, paper, scissors is a sport which is played. So that happens for 2 weeks continuously, where different teams go and like everything happens. And so that's also there. So it's fun.
For anyone who is watching this video right now, would you like to like specifically tell or like refer any clubs, societies, fests from your own side?
So we have over 25 clubs on our campus. So there's everything for someone. Like someone who doesn't like sports can indulge in maybe cultural activities, dance, music, theater. Someone who doesn't like that can indulge in academic clubs like eco, finance, bio, everything. So there are a lot of clubs. So you will find some of the other interests there.
And what about fests? Are there any particular fests that you say that one should never miss?
We had a BBA fest 2 weeks back, which we hosted. So I think that was one of the biggest fests.
Why?
Sorry?
Why is it like so? मतलब ऐसे skip नहीं करना चाहिए. Why is it that good?
Yeah, because like we all participate. There are various games, stalls, food stalls, and everyone is like putting up. All students only put it up. So it's like a side income for us also, and also people engage and have fun. And then there's cultural line, TJ, music, drama, dance, everything. So it's very fun for those 2 days. Everyone's bonding, everyone's together. So I think yeah.
Rohan, do you have some particular thing like particular society or something that one must join your club?
I think so. I would vouch for HCK. HCK is her campus, Kriya. So one advantage is that her campus is a very big organization that's there in over 2,000 universities, even Ashoka and all that. So in that Kriya, so the EB, like the club itself is like around 60 people, 70 people. And we have different branches in that club, like publicity, outreach, events. So joining that and being part of that, you get exposure other than the college itself. Like you get to meet people from who are part of her campus and other colleges and all that. So that's a different kind of exposure that one might get if they do join.
अभी तक तो आप लोगों को 1 year भी नहीं हुआ होगा ढंग से, या हो गया है 1 year? You've completed
Almost हो गया है, मतलब
almost
1
हो
month
गया
और
है.
है.
तो जैसे 1 year में या जैसे आप बोलो 11 months में, what is the most memorable thing that you have in your mind? It's not necessary guys कि अपन सिर्फ पढ़ाई की बात करें और एकदम से कॉलेज की बात करें. It could be anything, like you had fun with your friends at some मतलब कोई नुक्कड़ की दुकान मिल गई है जहाँ चाय पीते हो, मोमोज खाते हो, something fun यार. क्योंकि अब you tell me, if in case you were watching this video, what are you interested in listening to? You tell me that. What would incite you to get to IFMR? Now we'll start with Rohan this time. क्योंकि
I think
जब तक अपन आकृति से रोहन पे मूव करते हैं, रोहन के सारे पॉइंट खत्म हो जाते हैं. सेम यही बात है.
no, I think for me, it's like the late nights that we have here in college. Like not because something is happening, fest or something, but just ऐसे ही दोस्तों के साथ बिताना and like in the night, because in the night is when everyone gets free. मतलब some
There's no
like
in time also, I think.
there's no in time. We don't have a curfew here, so like night after 9 when everyone finishes dinner, then you get to do anything. Like you go play, you just walk around the campus, and all of that is you talk a lot. Like there's a lot of conversation happening, and of course there are different things you're talking about. Some are useless, some are like just talking about kya hua class mein, like something happened and we
हाँ
talk
I
about it
know
for a while.
I know
So
वो
like
boys locker room talk की जगह वो garden talk हो जाती है. Nice.
so like
And what about Akriti? What is a girl's time there like?
So I think same only after like dinner and all, we're usually walking around the campus. Something or the other is going on. We'd look at some sports or something. We'll meet new people there. We'll bond with them. And then once we're back in the hostel, तभी भी बातें चलती रहती हैं किसी एक के रूम में बैठ के, and then all that.
सोने का टाइम किसके पास है? And they're all talking about कि जैसे MBA वालों से बात करो या even जैसे कोई भी इंसान जो फाइनेंस, इकोनॉमिक्स, मैनेजमेंट किसी भी चीज में जाना चाहता है, इवन सीए भी कोई कर रहा है तो उनके दिमाग में एंड देयर इज वन वर्ड दैट hovers around and that is networking. So networking I think is very very necessary in this field where you are. तो आप लोगों को क्या कॉलेज से या कॉलेज में रह के नेटवर्किंग के इतने चांसेस मिलते हैं? मतलब अगर मिलते हैं तो गिव मी एन एग्जांपल ऑफ समवन हु हैज विजिटेड योर कैंपस जिनकी वजह से यू फील लाइक दिस इज द ग्रेटेस्ट नेटवर्किंग थिंग दैट वन कुड गो फॉर.
okay, so I think so there are two instances. One was that we had this counselors event in our college where counselors from different schools, around 50 counselors had come to Kriya. So talking to them actually like was because they know about their school and they know about the education system there, and talking to them and asking them why they chose to come to Kriya and like what is different that they're finding here was one. And then we also had a chance to meet Ashok Junjunwala, who's at IIT Madras,
Yeah.
and his so I had met him before also and meeting again this time and getting to know about the incubation cell that they have there and everything is something really great. And more than that, I think even in students, if you see, like the even different fests and clubs bring the students together. Like I know a lot of third years, fourth years who are doing something or the other in different fields. Who are like there's so many third years who have a business already
Oh,
and are like working towards it. Have foundations, startups. They have startups. They have NGOs. Like they're part of and
what
getting
kind
to
of
know all these.
startup? Are these mostly tech-driven startups or some interesting startups?
So there's one senior third year who started a tech-driven startup. He's like just starting and like there's something there. So and he's also very social as well. And I met him at an event and we started talking there.
That's great, actually. Yeah.
So I think more than other people also in college also, because like my generation is where like people start doing more once I also because here if I start networking in my college, that's when I can make more contacts outside colleges.
Correct. There could be a Zomato founder or someone in
exactly.
your college and you know them and you can say, Bhaiya, this, that, correct? Bhaiya, Didi, whoever. And what about you, Akriti? Would you like to say something? या यहाँ
So-
पे हमारी तरफ से होगा नहीं सेम सेम
नहीं, like guest lectures काफी होते हैं college में, so we most of the times go for it, and just by listening to whoever the guest lecturer is, you get a lot of insights into how they've set up their business, or not even business, just random, just general stuff.
Yeah.
And then there's a lot of clubs and committees. Because of that, we interact with both liberal arts people and MBA people, so that helps. Yeah.
Okay, so now this is a rapid fire round. You have to answer really quickly. It might be a word or a sentence about something. Okay? So first Rohan will answer, then Akriti will answer, so that there's no confusion or rapid fire easily ho jaye. Okay? So my first question for rapid fire is I am going to look into the question. If you could describe IPMAT exam in one word, what would it be?
Challenging.
And Akriti?
Tricky, I think.
मैंने सोचा था टफ बोला किसी ने तो स्क्रीन से निकाल के मारूंगी टफ मत बोलना टफ सबको मालूम है नहीं
As in, मतलब अगर full मेहनत करो तो easily crack हो सकता है, वो इतना वो नहीं है कि बहुत ज्यादा hard नहीं होगा.
हाँ करेक्ट सो इफ हाँ मैं समझ रही हूँ वो ऐसा होता है मुझे जो पता है मैं भी एक बहुत समय से मेंटोर रही हूँ फॉर स्टूडेंट्स. वो ऐसा होता है कि व्हेन यू गिवन इट यू बीन थ्रू द जर्नी एंड आपको पता चलता है कि अरे दिस इज नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट तब तक बहुत लेट हो जाता है बट है ना तब तक ऐसा लगता है कि एक ड्रॉप लेके देना पड़ेगा फिर से.
I think मुंह पे 12 तो बज ही जाते हैं मतलब how much ever you have prepared जब पेपर सामने आता है so there is like there's a lot of things that like ये तो कर लेना चाहिए था ये टॉपिक हो जाता
ये पढ़ लेते ये पढ़ लेते. Next question है if your IPMAT journey was a movie, what would it be?
What would it be? It would be like the Three Idiots.
Or something.
Three Idiots.
Idiots. Oh, it's so इतना difficult था? Was it very difficult for you?
Like I took it very difficult. मतलब नहीं होता इतना, but I think
नहीं मुझे लगता है it is difficult. I wouldn't say it's not difficult. First of all, that's really wrong to say कि वो difficult नहीं. कोई भी exam difficult है because it's not about how difficult the paper is to write the paper, but it's about the competition and it's very dense. So it is difficult. है ना?
Hmm.
And what about you, Akriti? What would your
For
movie?
me, honestly, बीच में Mission Impossible जैसा हो गया था because I didn't prepare that well and I was more focused on board के marks अच्छे आ जाने चाहिए and all that. So yeah, a little bit.
One book, podcast और YouTube चैनल विच वाज फन, जो आप लोग सिर्फ तभी यूज करते थे जब आपको बहुत ज्यादा मतलब यू वांटेड टू बी जस्ट अ रिलैक्स टाइम काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. तो रिलैक्स टाइम के लिए आप कौन सा बुक, पॉडकास्ट या यूट्यूब चैनल या इवन आप कोई सीरीज का भी नाम ले सकते हो, लाइक जस्ट लाइक दैट.
I binge watch a lot of Big Bang Theory.
That's my favorite. I watched it on repeat.
Yeah, I watched a lot of Big Bang Theory through the times I was studying.
And you, Akriti?
I binged Modern Family.
Oh my God, I swear. These, मतलब there are a lot of series that I watch on repeat. I watch them in a combination. I have weekly days for those series क्योंकि भाई मैं तो काम करती हूँ, मेरे पास टाइम होता है. Friends, Brooklyn Nine-Nine, Modern Family, Big Bang Theory, these four are like on repeat. वो चलता ही रहता है, चलता ही रहता है. ठीक है. Next is, if you could go back in time, what advice would you give to your past self before the exam in one sentence?
कुछ नहीं, सब ठीक है, हो जाएगा.
हाँ, that's the most important thing you need to say to yourself. Seriously, students take it too hard on themselves. हाँ,
हाँ.
Akriti?
I think mine would be जितना prepare किया है उतना तो किया एटलीस्ट तो वो अच्छी तरह से करके आऊँ and not take tension about जो नहीं किया है.
नहीं किया है, करेक्ट, क्योंकि उस समय जब आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे होते हैं आप वही सोचते हो, जब नहीं किया है उसी की चिंता होती है. ओके,
Yeah.
व्हाट्स द वन थिंग पीपल मिसअंडरस्टैंड अबाउट स्टूडेंट्स? अगेन, इट हैज टू बी ओनली वन थिंग.
That we are not serious enough,
ओके, एंड
like in
Akriti?
this generation.
हाँ, that happens.
What I meant was everyone thinks that it's easy for us, like because we have so much technology on our hands and everything. But I think that's something
It's
really like it is not easy if you think about it. Like,
even more difficult.
right, because
Because
इतने option we are.
yes, exactly. जितना कंपटीशन बढ़ा दिया गया है उतना ही टेक्नोलॉजी की वजह से सोर्सेज बढ़ गए हैं. एक ही न्यूज होती है, उसको चार तरीके से बताया जाता
Exactly.
है कि वो सारा हमारे लिए करंट अफेयर है, वो सब पता होना चाहिए बिकॉज वो इंटरव्यू में पूछा जा सकता है. तो इट्स सो मच
Right.
कीप इन योर माइंड, है ना? Okay, guys, so that's an end to a very, very fruitful conversation. I think this is going to be very, very easy and very, very fun for someone to watch through. And it is all because of you two, because you maintained the fun. And I'm really very thankful and I'm very happy to see your glowing faces. And sleepless faces, because मसाला बनने में ज़्यादा time लग रहा है. Hello guys, thank you very much. And
Thank
I'll
you.
see you next time. I hope I have better questions and you have better answers now that we are friends. Okay guys, see you.
Thank
Bye.
you.
See you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.